Alright guys, I know trying to keep up with, how many of your members have added people is very frustrating. For me, I had to go on my Facebook group, I had to control F and then type in the keyword added by and then type someone's name and get their ads. That just took too much time, especially when my group has, 800 and some members. That'd take a lot of time, so I actually have a Excel sheet that does it automatically for you, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the Excel sheet that you get, just double click it, open it up, and here's your little home page. This is what does the counting, and if this pops up here, just click enable content. It does that sometimes when you download an Excel sheet and open it. But as you can check these pages, they're all blank. At summary right there it says name, there's none, there's no counters, there's nothing here in data. As you can see, I'll scroll to the top, kind of show you. Nothing there. Alright, so what you're going to do, so you opened up your Excel sheet. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Facebook group, and as you can see, I'm on my members tab. You're going to scroll down here to where it says new to the group, and you're going to click on the first, or not click right before the first name and start dragging down, and you're going to have to keep doing this for a while. As you can see, it starts to load when you get near the bottom and it starts loading more people. You just want to literally keep holding it in until you literally get at the very bottom of the page. Now I've already did this once, so I'm not going to sit here and do it again. You'd have to watch me for about a minute and a half. So I'm going to close this out, and I already have it in a Word document. So I'm going to click in there, Control Alt, and then I'm going to copy so I can close this now. Alright. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the data sheet, and up here on A1 you're going to click there, and then you're going to go to, you can right click on it and then make sure you hit paste special, and what you want to do is you want to click text. You want to make sure you're not copying anything but the text. You don't want to accidentally copy a profile picture or an image or anything like that, just strictly text. So hit OK. Alright, so it's copied all that in there, and as you can see, it's quite a bit of lines. So now what you can do is you can go to counter, and I'll even show you summary real fast. See, nothing's updated there yet. You just go to counter and click get summary, summary completed, and let's check it out. Click summary, and look, as you can see, it automatically puts every single name that had somebody added, and then it tells you the number, and it also sorts them for you too. So this is great for if you want to keep track of who your top adder is and who's doing the most work for you and stuff like that. But hope you guys like this, and I'm super excited. This has saved me so much time, and it's allowed me to do cool games where I can update it every month and give people prizes for being the top one. But I really appreciate you guys, and let me know if you have any questions.